Hi there, my name is Michelle Matuszewski. I'm one of your librarians at Ministry Healthcare. Today I want to show you how to use DOI to track down the full text of an article. First of all, what is DOI? It stands for Digital Object Identifier. Basically, it's a permanent identifier for things like journal articles on the internet. When a URL or a web address may change for a particular article, the DOI will stay consistent and permanent. So if you have that DOI, it should help you track down a full text article for quick access. Now today we're going to be using this Harry Potter headache article, and you can see the DOI is listed at the end. Now that I've pointed this out, you will be seeing DOI everywhere. Sometimes you can use this to track it down on Google. You can just pop that into a Google search box. But in some cases at Ministry Healthcare, our full text access to a particular article may reside on what we call the invisible web, or in one of our subscribed full text collections like CINAHL or Clinical Key, rather than directly at a publisher's website. So contrary to popular belief, Google tends to miss those deep links. So in this case, we have another tool to help us track down the full text, and that is our A to Z journals list. So I'm going to copy that DOI, and then I'm going to take you to our A to Z journals list. So on the source, click on Departments and Intranets, click on Library, and on the library homepage, you will see this A to Z journals list, journal title search over on the side. So if you click on that, this is our index or our directory to all the full text that we have access to at Ministry Healthcare, which is over 12,000 e-journals these days. So if you change this PubMed default, click on the little arrow, change that to DOI, and then you can pop in that DOI that we copied from the other screen. Just as easy as that, it takes you, if we have the full text access to that article, that will take you right to it. So here we are, Harry Potter and the Curse of Headache, from the Academic Search Premier database. Here is the PDF link for it. So that is one of the quickest ways to get to the full text. If you need some more options, you can find those at the link at the top to get additional resources. And this pushes you into our article linker. So this will show you all the other options that we have here at Ministry Healthcare for the full text. Here you can see we also have it through CINAHL with full text and the Wiley-Blackwell database. And if you click on the article level link, that will take you right to that article in that database. So here we are, Harry Potter and the Curse of the Headache. There's a PDF link for it right over here. And once you're there, you can save a copy or print a copy for yourself, or you can read it right on the screen. There you have it, an easy way to find full text articles using a digital object identifier. If you have questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Michelle, or Deb Knippel. Thanks for watching and have a good day.